This villa is first line of the golf course and has incredible sea views. Don't miss it. Welcome to the urbanization Sierra Altea. This place has a golf course with a restaurant, with bars. They do events, it has gymnasium, has everything you need. Plus, this urbanization is really exclusive. It's where one of the top properties are here in the area. The property we're going to go and see today is actually on the first line of the Gulf. It's one of the most expensive streets here in Altea. Plus, this urbanization is just 5 kilometers away from the center of Altea and 10 kilometers from the best beaches, that is Benidorm and Calpe. So it's time to go and see the property. This home, you have to arrive in style. So it's time to start the video tour. So this villa sits on a plot of 2,700 square meters and it has 600 square meters built. It's time to go and see the main floor. Coming into this home, on the left is the entrance, and behind me you have the chill out area, exotic style, the fountain, barbecue area, flat screen, entrance to the living room. You have the smoker from Texas, and then here you have an entrance just for the guests. Come through to the entrance of the home. It's really spacious. With the great big windows, you have a lot of natural light. Just on this floor, there is 200 square meters, so it's enormous. Over there, you have the master bedroom, the terrace, and then through here, the kitchen. There is a lot of space and also a great big window, so you have a lot of natural light. There's the dining area here. The kitchen is also really spacious. You have an island that you can move around. Here, there is an office, and then over here, you have the laundry room. Coming from the ground floor, the whole terrace has views to the sea, to the mountain of Albia, to the old town, and to Benidorm. It's incredible. We come out to this beautiful renovated terrace. I love the grey with the contrast of the blue. Enormous swimming pool. We are actually surrounded by nature, palm trees. You even have sea views from here. But let's have a look how it looks at night. What did you think of the night shots? I would love to hear your opinion in the comment section. Let's go and check out the apartments. This is the bedroom from the ground floor. Has a lot of space, a closet, a kitchen. It also has an ensuite bathroom that is really big. All of the rooms downstairs have straight access to the swimming pool, so that is great. And it also has a great big studio that can be renovated into a cinema, to a game room, or anything that you desire, so you can choose. On the top floor, there is 2 big spacious bedrooms. You also have this beautiful living room with the best views in Don Cayo. From the top terrace, you have even more incredible views. You even have views to Benidorm and to the mountain Puig Campana. Incredible. Que viva España! We finished the video. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, click on the playlist here. And if you want me to help you find your ideal home here in the Costa Blanca, check the link below. I'll help you straight away. I'm going to watch the sunset from here. I can even see the old town because it's looking good. So I'll see you on the next video.